Picking out a place to call home can be quite exciting and a great assertion of one's own independence. But aside from finding the right structure with a roof over it, one has to face the challenge of picking out what to fill your new space with. Furbishing one's home with the right type of item that can make the place look great can be an adventure, especially when you need to allot more space than you actually own. It's a good thing there are plenty of options now in choosing nice and functional pieces that can really maximize your space efficiency and layout. Hello again, everyone, and in today's video, we're taking a look at stunning space-saving ideas you must see. Before we jump into it, you know the routine. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for future updates. This is Cyber 10s. Compado. Ideal for studio-type settings and apartments that have limited space, the Compado wall and bed revolving bookcase with table is a revolving bookcase wall bed that is absolutely designed to be compact and fashionable, while providing a few more functions than you would expect. The Compado has built-in shelves that can blend into any room and serve the primary purpose of an ornamental shelf to place decor or books on. With a few arrangements to hide items and a couple of twists, you can reveal a dining or office table that you can use. To complete everything you need after your day's activities, you can pull down a full mattress for that good night's sleep. The Compado has everything needed in a functioning unit, offering a versatile bedroom, dining, and office unit, and vertical storage in one great design. Spintex. Combining intelligent design with the concept of multifunctional, the Spintex is an incredibly versatile piece of furniture. On first glance, this modular-looking chair can actually transform into many other pieces of furniture by sliding together bars provided that attach each element of the Spintex to allow you the choice of function and design you wish to use it for. The Spintex can be made into practical items such as a bed, a lounge chair, a table, or even as toys that can be assembled into any design you wish. It's lightweight and durable, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use, and has its own 3D design simulator within its own app, allowing you to build your own furniture designs that can actually create while saving much-needed space. Living Cube. Designed to maximize your small space, the Living Cube is a solution to the common problem of storage space for those renting more petite apartments. It combines pieces of furniture into one freestanding cube that creates two rooms in the process. It includes a platform that accommodates a queen-size bed and an internal space for storage or a workspace underneath. There's plenty of shelving, and its modular design allows you to customize the setup to provide you a fold-down desk, storage for clothes and shoes, and a series of compartments within its measurements. This multi-purpose living cube is one multifunctional unit that is perfect for minimalist living. Bloom Frame Folding Balcony. Made for those living in a conventional multi-level housing type, the Blue Frame Folding Balcony is a great add-on that can allow you to have an extension to your outside space. Like a balcony on your veranda, even when you didn't have one in the first place, it's designed to be an innovative window pane that can transform into a balcony in less than a minute, unfurling itself for you to enjoy some added outdoor space on your own balcony with a click of a button. This heavy-duty window frame is made of steel and aluminum and can easily be installed into a window space with the help of some reinforced steel bars for added support. Your window can now become the folding balcony you never thought you could have. Ozio Metrino Coffee Table. Italian furniture maker Ozio, known for their transforming furniture designs, is also known for the Metrino, a multifunctional convertible table that can be used as a coffee table and a work desk. By lifting the top to easily switch its use and expose the hidden compartment for added storage space that can hide your work-related gear, you now have a spot for your work and a spot to entertain guests as well. It has a self-breaking gas lifting mechanism for easier handling, allowing you to customize the table's height to fit your comfort. Sophie Folding Lounger. When picking out lounge chairs, you need to consider the space it can take and the difficulty of placement whenever you wish to move it. With most standard lounge chairs being quite heavy, with the Sophie Folding Lounger, you don't have to think about all that any longer, with its unique ergonomic design that not only saves space, but rolls up easily in just 30 seconds. Crafted from durable polished birchwood, this elegant piece of folding furniture is capable of withstanding the harshest outdoor elements and is UV fade resistant, making sure that its durability can stand the test of time. Amore. The Amore Revolving TV Murphy Bed is a great space-saving solution for those finding themselves in need of having full functionality within their tightly spaced homes. It's a combination of bookshelves and a media center that can fit a 58-inch TV, and by rotating the unit 180 degrees, you can reveal a comfy queen-size bed you can sleep on. There's compact cupboards that can be used for added storage space as well, which also functions as a way to help close off the unit. Now that you have the space for the usual functions needed to be productive, you'll be surprised at just how much added space you actually have. Your cube. Recommended for those who have an innate desire to express themselves through creative designs, your cube magnetic modular furniture allows you to change your living room decor in a jiffy. Without the use of any tools, it works just like Lego for adults, with its adjustable magnets behind the cubes that allow you to match each modular box according to your design and space requirements. Turn it into a cabinet, a bookshelf, a dresser, a small table, and many more functions with each your cube bundle, allowing you to make the most and reinvent your living space anytime you want. Flexible Love Chair. This extraordinary chair has a complex design that allows you to expand and contract its basic shape. Known as the Flexible Love Chair, it has a unique accordion-like and honeycomb structure that can be stretched and folded into a number of shapes and lengths. Make it a comfortable one-seater or extend it to add a person or two. This sustainable piece of furniture is inspired by nature and is made from recycled paper and wood waste that is built to be surprisingly strong, offering adaptability and literal flexibility that makes it an ideal item for tighter homes and spaces. Milano Smart Bed. When figuring out which furniture to pick up that can also save space, functionality is always the top priority. The Milano Startup Ceiling Bed is a compact and highly functional piece that is perfect for studios and micro-apartments. It has an adjustable bed that can disappear into the ceiling and can come down when you need it. With a simple push of a button, by folding in the legs, it blends into the ceiling seamlessly. And once the bed is secure within the ceiling, you have added space underneath for most of your day. You can use this to place tables and chairs, or for many of your indoor activities. No one would even notice that your bed is secured on top, providing you the solution for space concerns. So what do you think about these amazing space-saving ideas? We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And as always, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for future updates. Until next time!